Hello everyone and welcome back to another Tea Tuesday. I think this is one of my favorite series of all time so far. I've really enjoyed this. First off, I don't know if any of you saw where I had a bunch of Christmas gifts, but if not, I'm going to show you again. I have made a dent, but I still have so much stuff to go through. Let's check it out. This is all the stuff I still have to figure out to gift or give or whatever. I don't know. There's so much. There's just really, like I could give that brush set to my daughter, but she has a brush set, a fairly nice one. So I don't know that she needs a new one. She literally got it not too long ago. There's just so many things. I'm not sure. Like I bought all these pajama sets at Kohl's a while back. I'm going to give them as gifts, and they just sat in a tote. Some Barbies, some kids coloring sets. I have made progress. So I have some wrapping paper. I have set aside a few gifts for different people, groups of gifts that I need to get wrapping. And so, yeah, I'll be doing a lot of wrapping today and seeing what else I have to get. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Look how nice. I love these ones. There's a Merry Christmas. And I just like these colors a lot. And the snowflakes. Even though I don't like the snow, I like it. And then these are what I had left over from last year. But I didn't think it'd be enough. So I went and got 3 more. I picked up this sign at the Dollar Tree. I kind of want to hang it on my door. Is that like so weird to hang this on my front door? I just don't know how I'd keep it from getting messed up. Because it's like a canvas. And I don't want it to get messed up. But I think that'd be so fun to hang on my front door, don't you? If you have any suggestions of how I could make it weatherproof, let me know. Cody's got our tree decorated. I just let her put the ornaments wherever she wanted. Some of my favorite ornaments is this one here. My daughter-in-law made us from the quarantine 2020. A super cute one. Just picked up at the Dollar Tree this year. They're just wooden. I was going to paint it, and I thought I really like just the natural. And that's an M. Oh, look, she made us this one, too. I think my granddaughter made this one. 2010, 2020. Man, we've been together a lot of years. Here's one that was made for my daughter when we got the COVID one. Yeah, here's my little C. And then there's another C at the very top for my daughter. All of our ornaments have meanings. I don't know if your guys have like significant meanings. Like I still have this one from my daughter made it when she was in elementary school. So cute. And then she's gonna go to Paris hopefully when she graduates high school. So we have 2 Paris Eiffel Tower things, ornaments that she's stuck on there. This angel we got years ago. There was an angel tree at our church. And they had the angel, and then on it was a person's, I think it was like a tag saying what the child needed. So we took the angel, and then we bought the items off the list, and they told us we just could keep the angel. So I thought that was super cute. But yeah, it doesn't have a ton of ornaments, but I like the ones that are on here a lot. Like this one my daughter made and glued all the buttons, and apparently the one button was falling off, so she just taped it on. That's okay. Those are my favorite, you know? And our little mooses that we got. I think I got these off a yard sale for like probably a dime. I don't know. Do you guys have any special ornaments on your tree that you really like? My granddaughter's really good at working with clay, and she's made a lot of these little clay ones for us. My daughter got this one from Dance. So cute. All right, enough about my tree. I got 6 gifts wrapped up or bagged up for Cody's dance teachers. What is going on with my hair? Look at that. I don't even know. Anyways, try to focus. I don't know if you can see this puzzle very well that we're working on. I got this off the marketplace. Somebody was selling it. And we love to do puzzles as a family. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. I didn't realize it was like super long like that, but it's all good. I think it's turning out super cute. Just have to finish the sky there. But yeah, my husband's been busting this out between him and my daughter. They've been working hard on it. I helped do the frame. I've just been busy doing other stuff. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to wrap some items. I don't know, like, I have wrapping paper, but it doesn't really help to wrap certain items. Like, for example, this. If I wrap this with wrapping paper, you can tell what it is. So, is it better to put it in a bag, or is it better to put it in a box and then wrap the box? I don't know. I haven't decided. But I know I don't think I want to just wrap it. I don't want to make it extra weighted though, because I gotta ship these items, some of them, to family that doesn't live near me. Or I could just drive them to them. I don't know. But yeah, so that's one dilemma I have. And then I have another item that I'm trying to figure out how to wrap. So maybe you can help me. And so I got these gift sets. Why are they so shiny? It's the plastic that's holding everything on. But I don't know how to wrap it. See, like, it's really awkward. I can't just put wrapping paper around it. And I thought about just putting it in a gift bag. But that increases the price by $1 a gift, because the bags are $1. We're trying to stay inexpensive. And I got a whole roll of wrapping paper for $1. So, what empty boxes would this fit in, do you think? Like, I don't even know. My goodness. Wait. Like, I have these I get at the store when I get my drink. Would it fit in there? Not quite. And then it still sticks up, so that won't work. You know what I mean? Like, I need like a flat box. Where can I get a box that this would fit in, that wouldn't cost me money? Because it's not that I'm cheap. It's not that I'm cheap at all. It's that I don't want to waste money on a box that people are just going to throw away, or a bag that they're not saving it. They're not, oh, I'd love them to save it. So, I mean, it just seems wasteful of money. I mean, I don't know. This seemed dumb. I've actually showed up at parties with a gift in a grocery bag. Maybe I'll wrap them in paper bags from the grocery store. That might work. I've wrapped gifts in the funny paper, like, well, what do you call it? The cartoons? I don't know. What do you guys call it? When you would get the newspaper, if anybody remembers getting a newspaper, either now or when you were younger, give this video a thumbs up. I used to take in the Sunday paper, the cartoons would be in color, and I would save them every week. And then that's what I'd wrap my Christmas presents with, because I already got it, I already paid for it, or I got it from somebody. I don't know if I had personally got the paper, or if I just got it from my friends that got the paper. I don't know. But, yeah, that was interesting. But you could just wrap it in plain newspaper. That would be a really effective, inexpensive. I mean, you could buy one Sunday paper and have tons of paper to wrap stuff with. I think it would look very nostalgic to have your gifts wrapped in newspaper. Oh my gosh, maybe I'm going to take that wrapping paper back. One year we did brown paper, so we saved grocery bags, and then obviously if they had logos, we put that on the inside, and we wrapped them in brown paper and tied them with string. It was really cute. So, I don't know. So, I still need an idea of how to wrap this. Like, I mean, I could do brown paper. That might work. Because my fear is just covering it with wrapping paper. Not that they're going to guess. I mean, hello, you're going to open it. You don't have to guess. But my fear is that these things will cut right through the wrapping paper. And so, I just wasted my time. But I really don't want to go buy a gift bag, because literally, for every gift, I mean, if I give out 10 gifts, that's $10 more that I didn't need to spend. Or if I'm giving 50 gifts, $50 just in gift bags, no, I'm not doing that. So, I usually try to buy gift bags after the holidays when they're on sale. Like, I bought a bunch for like a dime one time. Just gave them all to my sister. But I really don't want to wrap this with a bunny rabbit for Christmas. So, I don't know. If you have an idea, if not right now, I'm thinking maybe the brown paper is the best way to go. But if you got a better idea, let me know. And if I didn't say what this is, I don't know if I did, but it's a cute little basket. And it's got bubble bath, bath salts, shower gel, lotion, and a loofah. So this is lotion. But all of this. Now, this is a very nice set. Regular $9.99. I did not pay that. But it is a $10 gift, okay? I mean, I got a really good, incredible deal because I am a thrifty shopper. And I have about 10 of these. And no way did I spend $100. But anyways, it doesn't matter what I paid. If you think you know what I paid for me, free to comment what you think I paid. If you guess it right, I will heart your comment. I'll let you know that you did guess what I paid. But yeah, I thought it was such a great deal for all these items, and it smells so good. This one is rosemary scented. It smells so good. And then the other set I have is lavender. This is the lavender one. It smells so good. I gave one of these to my sister at Live with Granny G for her birthday. She doesn't live too far, so this I would not ship. It is super heavy. I need to figure out how to wrap this item, so comment below if you have any suggestions. I'm making some progress. I'm getting some of it done. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for entering my giveaway last week. All those of you who entered. Before we get to drawing the names of those winners, I want to tell you that we're doing another drawing if you didn't already know that. Alright, so I have 3 of these backdrops, so I probably will be doing another giveaway for them. I'm going to try to show you how big it is, and then it's nice for like behind your desk or something. Trying to use my bed for comparison. Oh my gosh, if I can get it to lay out. This is a king size, a California king size bed. So this one is kind of really silky. I do have 3 of them, so the 2 winners, if they both want this design, can both have this design. It's kind of like a deserty cactus kind of scene. I think it's a super cute backdrop and would look really cute hanging. I'm going to see if I can hang it up and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I don't want to put a hole in it. Obviously, you guys can figure out how you want to hang it up. But I'm just going to like clip it with the little clip here. Which you wouldn't have to put a hole in it. You could clip it to your curtain or however. I'm not doing a good job of this, but the point is to get you a visual. So that's kind of like that one there hanging up. It makes for a nice backdrop. Instead of having maybe just a cluttered room, you could hang it on a curtain rod. However you want to have a nice little, you know, what would you call this? A cactusy, deserty scene? I don't know. But I think it's super cute. And I'm excited to give away 2 backdrops today. So let's see the next backdrop. Okay, so this backdrop I'm going to show you right now is I have 2 different sizes. I have one sealed still. This one we did have hanging up, but we're not going to use it, so we're giving it away. Depending on your space, I'm going to show you both. This one is like paper canvasy. Some people might like that better. I think you could iron it to get the wrinkles out or just let it steam. These are all unicorn ones. So if you like unicorns, then this is the backdrop for you. So this one, using my bed for comparison, that's what it looks like. We never used this one because actually when it came, we were kind of shocked that it was smaller than the other ones. So if you had this behind you, depending on where you had it tacked on the wall or whatever, you could have your face, you know, right there. And it would look like you were in the clouds. You were a unicorn. You could have your face right here. I've actually done a few shots behind the larger one, which I'll show you now. So using the bed for comparison, that's the size of the smaller unicorn. So if you win, you let me know which one you want. Just saying right now, this one is a lot bigger. So make sure you have a big wall to put it on if you want this one. There you go. Bed for reference. It's huge. It's the same as the other one with the unicorn and the clouds and the rainbow. It's huge. It is literally hanging off the edge of the king size bed just a little bit on both sides. So, I mean, I do have 2 of the large unicorns. If both winners wanted the large unicorn, they could have that. Or the cactus scene, desert scene, whatever you want to call it. So, comment below if you win, or message me. You don't have to comment. You can message me through Instagram, or you could email me your shipping address, where you'd like it shipped, and your choice if you want the large unicorn, small unicorn, or the cactus scene. We're getting ready to draw the winners from Tuesday's giveaway. But before I do, be sure to like my video. If you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button. It's right down there. Just click it. And make sure you turn on notifications by hitting that little bell. That way you know every time I post a video. You don't want to miss out. Alright guys, thanks so much for entering my giveaway last week. I am super excited. We had a lot of people comment things that, the thing that made them smile when they got up in the morning. It was exciting to see how many people were just happy to be alive. And you know what? That's a great answer. Every day when I wake up, I'm so grateful to be alive. So the question that you need to answer to be entered in the giveaway for next week, okay, next week's giveaway, you'll answer the question, what is the one book, movie, thing, or person that has influenced you the most? Comment that and you'll be entered in the giveaway for next week's prize, which is a surprise. 2 winners will win a surprise package full of goodies. But it's just going to be a surprise, so you just got to enter and hope that it's good. I don't know. We'll see. Who knows? Who knows with me? It could be anything. All right, guys. All right, we got everybody's names on the wheel. Let's find us a winner. Good luck to everybody. All right, who's our first winner going to be? Rhonda's World. Congratulations. All right, let's see who's going to win. Linda Book Lady. Woohoo! Congratulations. Congratulations to our 2 winners. Just go ahead and either email me, message me on Facebook, or message me on Instagram with the address that you would like your backdrop shipped to, as well as which backdrop you would like, either the cactus, the small unicorn, or the large unicorn. All right. Till next time, guys. Be sure to comment the answer to this week's question to be entered in the giveaway, which we will announce the winner to next Tuesday. And we will see you then.